job to do, and he's got to fulfill that mission. Yeah, to see his earth will be their greatest ambition. Yeah, but we will survive in this world of competition.